All right, let's do a Harbinger Base. First, this tune. 4 controllers. 4 controllers. 2 devout. 4 absolve. You don't need that many, but I fill it right up. Here, Nick. That's all you really need. I have a couple extras in case I get in trouble. I don't get in trouble. And then I have a lot of controllers. In case anything happens, I've got more. All right, the first thing that's going to happen, I'm going to send in a couple of devout, put them on hold, send in some controllers that are just going to kill these guys. All right, got rid of them. I've got my devout in there. Bring them up here in case anything. Deselect. Now we're just going to bring in, before we do that, we're going to bring in our absolvers. I have 4 absolvers. Basically, we're going to get rid of fire. There we go. Take it out. All right, bring them back here. Now we're going to bring in our controllers. 4 over there. 4 over here. Now we're just going to take out some stuff. We're just going to take our time. And we're just going to kill a bunch of stuff. All right. All the way over, you got to watch out for him. He won't do you much damage, but he'll shoot you. So you just get down here and you shoot a little bit. All right, they're gone. Now we're going to take it out over here. He'll get a few shots in, but that's it. Okay, he's gone. Now we're going to see if we can take out this stuff here with the splash. All right, now these guys are going to start coming at you, but they're going at the devout. So you don't have to really worry too much. You can take them out. They're all shooting for the devout, so you're okay. Now we'll go over here and we'll clean out a little bit of this stuff. This will clean out the front row. Okay, they're gone. Now we'll take out these guys here. Okay, they're all gone. Now we'll take out the rail. All right. We'll just leave him here. Now the absolvers are, what I find is these anti-air are really effective at killing the drones from the controllers. So don't fight them. And the absolvers clean this stuff out real fast. Okay, so the absolvers will take a little bit of damage, but they take out the anti-air. All right, that's all you need. The rest you can get with your controllers. All you want to take out is the anti-air. You take out the anti-air, and then the controllers will take out the rest. All right, you guys want to come after me and get me good? All right. We're moving in for the kill. Uh-oh. All right. Here's what happens sometimes. The Harbinger moves. Oh, we got to kill these guys coming. Okay. When the Harbinger moves, you can kill him easily. All right, get rid of him. We get our controllers over here to clean out. Once you get rid of them, I'll show you what we'll do to... When these guys come, you just got to kill them. So your controllers will do that. All right, got rid of them now. The absolvers are great. And we'll bring Nick in. The absolvers are great to get the Harbinger to move. When the Harbinger moves, it's real easy. You kill him with a Nick. Real simple. And the Harbinger likes to chase the absolvers. Well, now he's not going to do it. Like I said, every time it's a little bit interesting. All right, we'll leave them there for now. We'll clean some more out. Just slowly working our way through the base. You got lots of time, so you don't have to worry about that. Certainly the Harbinger will move. Okay, here they come. Again, they're coming after the Devout, so you'll be all right. Oh. Okay, my absolvers did fine. They know how to protect themselves. Put them over there. Oh, we can't do that. All right. Let's get rid of... This has been the laziest way to do it yet. I am highly inefficient, but that's what happens when I make a video. Sometimes it's good, and sometimes it's not so good. That's what happens when you get a rookie making stuff. All right, finally he's come. Come on, come on, come on. Okay, there we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Nick will kill him now. I'm going to take a couple shots and Nick will kill him. That's it. Like I said, pretty easy to kill. So send my controllers over there. I got to get rid of the Nick first. Send some controllers over here. Go down both sides and just clean it out. So right now the biggest threat is right there. So let's kill him. Get these guys over here. And basically we're done at this point. We're just sending the controllers in to kill stuff. I think that should be it. So you see more or less how it goes. Don't be lazy, don't be like me, and you don't know how many parts you get. I think this is the last time I got one part, but you get medals. So it's not too bad. And you don't get a whole lot of damage. Let's see how much damage we got.